Hi, in previous video we've created GUI and we have the create your personal ArcoLinux ISO label. We can choose XL, XD and then later on all the others, 38, and then you click create and then the magic happens. What is the magic? The magic is that we need to git clone this thing. If it says ArcoLinux D, it needs to go to the GitHub and get this, go in here and run that. That's what needs to be done. And then everything goes automatically once it starts. There is a way of doing things, and what's the way? You'll get an ArcoLinux B build and you get an ArcoLinux B out, or there is an ArcoLinux out and an ArcoLinux build, or there is an ArcoLinux D and ArcoLinux D out, right? ArcoLinux D build, ArcoLinux D out. So your information, your new ISO is here. This is where it's built, and this is your new B ISO, and this is where it's built. So that's, it goes automatically once we can get it on your machine. And this is not that bad in the sense that it's 90 megabytes, and I don't think that's an issue. Duff. So we have in the temp folder 15.6 gigabytes available. I used only 138, so that's not gonna be an issue. I'd like to get to git clone from GitHub, put it in the temp, and then work with it from there. So that's what I was that is what I was thinking this afternoon in the sunshine, right? But doing it is something else than actually imagining it. Well, we've made already some decisions. So let's build an ArcoLinux ISO. Yes, sure. Although it's gonna be an ArcoLinux ISO this time. Installing Arch ISO if needed. Yes, I need it. So yes, if it's not there, get it. Making sure we start with a clean slate. I'm not sure how it's gonna work with this. Probably wants to go also inside root and do his work there. So let's just see. Let's just see. Starting with the build script is of course not correct. Yes and no. What I need to do first is git clone the git clone the ISO scripts, something like that. That's what we need to do. And the command, we need to run it. Indeed, we need to run it, but it's gonna be in some place. Change permissions. What was that? That's the name of ArcoLinux. I'm not gonna need that because we don't have years. So don't need years, but maybe changing permissions is gonna be a thing, right? Let's just call it ArcoLinux ISO, right? I know it's not the name, but destination ISO and so on. Check it. Okay, and then we remove directory again. Okay, so what do I need in between? I need to git clone things. Can I send him a command to git clone stuff? Probably can. The command being something, right? But first I need to get the code. Save. I need to get the code from this. the create, okay, this one. I need this thing. It's a combo text. Getting the text of a combo text is done by let's see. Yeah, like that. Choice equals the text, the label, entry text from mslib, choices. What is that again? That is a combo text, yeah. Combo box text, Control C, Control V, whoa, too much. Close other tabs. GTK, combo text, that one. Get active text. Right, I think so. Get active text. So is it done like this? Get active text. I feel I'm doing mistakes here, making mistakes. Control combo text. Get active text. Yeah, I think it's correct, but we're missing one thing. Get active text like this. Let's see. So I'm gonna do everything except running the command to make an arch ISO here. We can do all the rest. And permissions are not going to be correct either. And all the rest. You can try and remove all that. So I just want to know if the choice will be XL or D, because then I need to use it for the GitHub URL to git clone it. Save. So if I run, do I see errors? Not yet. I say create. Let's build an ArcoLinux ISO, ArcoLinux L. That's correct, huh? And when I do this, it's gonna say ArcoLinux D. Okay, so the variable is red. Then git clone. What would I do in a normal system? In a normal system, I would say git clone https and then github.com/ArcoLinux XL ISO. Yes, that's what I would do. So this is the line that I need. That's the command that I need. Control Shift C. And now I wonder if I just do D instead of XL, then that works as well. So if I change that particular bit in the URL, we're set, right? That means that's the normal code. Oh, it's gone. Damn it. this one, right? I want to keep track of the line. Control Shift C, okay, and then Control V, okay, Super F, quit it. So this is the normal line, and then we say make ArchISO and all that. Home, no, we don't need that. This is my command. Oh, lost it again. That is my command. The difference being that stops here. And now we say plus. This is gonna be the choice. And this is plus ISO. Right? Control Z, no, Control Y. We can check up here. ArcoLinux, ArcoLinux D, ISO. So that's the command. But I need to tell them the output is temp folder, right? Was it -O or something? Output man git -O version 000 P wow. Okay, Q, right? So man git and then grab output. Nope, no luck. Was it -O or something? -O, let's give it a try. Often it is in these things. It's not an empty directory, okay. First create a directory, might be not a bad idea. Destination path, ArcoLinux D ISO already exists, is not an empty directory. So the O is not working, but do not fear, capital O, that it doesn't know. Output, 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 output. So origin, track upstream. Oh, in which project did I do that? There must be projects in the past where I've done that. But there's the internet, right? Git clone to specific folder. Just like that. Let's give it a go. What was it again, right? We need to figure it out. What was it again? Where was I busy? I think it was working here. Let's see what rubbish I've downloaded already. So this can go. That one can go. So if I do this without anything else, and that's gonna work, right? So now we have to keep track of the temp folder, which is not present. I've had it for years, but not this time around. So we've got an ArcoLinux D. So we can go here with this code, right? So go with that, and then we get a space temp ArcoLinux D. Yeah. So the choice, again. Let's see if that works. And then we run that command. What we need to do before is remove directory if it exists. So tmp plus choice. So if it exists, we can make an if clause, we'll see, we can always perfect things. But first, remove if it's there. Then we're gonna git clone from there into there. And then we run the command. So this is just the git clone, right? Should be okay. Let's see. This is our better add temp to it. Right, so we've got ArcoLinux D here. Let's do ArcoLinux D again. ArcoLinux D, create. I saw something flashing here. ArcoLinux D is here. Delete. Yeah, retry. Skip all, because we're not LL. We're root, right? We are root and we're not Eric. So the machine needs to do that. So we got this. Now to say go to this one and that one. So copy. Okay, next challenge is gonna be launch the scripts. And this, yeah, actually like that. Control V. That's the. Oh, where's the rest? Where is the rest? Copy. I want to see it all. He does not want to do that. Why don't you want to do that? So this is in front. Right. We need to know where it goes. So this is the D then. So the choice. So basically I need to have a command to start, and I say this. Basically it's this. But from time to time we're gonna say here is the choice. All right, save. So temp, or it's ArcoLinux B or D or XL or XS, the choice. Go in there and run that command. I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Yep. New. Applying this command. Sure. Like always, it's doing things. Black box. He's doing things. We can have a look at the CPU, which is not gonna help. We're gonna take a look at the PIT. Here he is, ArcoLinux application pi, sudo ArcoLinux pi. And at some point, he's actually gonna make arch ISO, I think it's called. It's gonna build the thing. So if you have ever built an ISO, it's first a lot of download, like 700, 800 lines, and packages that get installed. Oh, that's a good thing. Where is he doing things? That's a good point. Where is he doing things? If at all he is doing things, right? Because this is back clickable. And I've used ArcoLinux XL, by the way. That is the question. Is he doing something? But we did see code, but not make arch ISO. So it's time to open another window. And that's the one of this thing. Right mouse click, open folder as root. The application runs as root. So, oh, look at that. ArcoLinux out is here. But there was an error. Otherwise, we would see something here, right? So root produced something, produced an ArcoLinux build, an ArcoLinux out, but now we need to figure out what's going on. That's gonna be tough because it's all happening where I can't see it. Does it need a shell before it? I'm not sure if it needs something like that. But I'm gonna try it like this. Here we are sudo. Right, here we are sudo. What if I say here, take temp ArcoLinux L and then installation scripts number 40. If you run that, aha. What's all that? Set can't read ArcoLinux build arch ISO profile dev, no such files. So we have a problem with what? No such file or directory. Let's have a look. It's here. It's here. Arch ISO. That's working. Oh. So if I would start it from here, which I am, but I did not go inside the directory. Is that the problem? CD inside that folder, and if I run 40 from here, it's working. So I need to tell the system to go in there. So the command starting from wherever he thinks he is not working. And then Bash would say CD to there. And I wonder why and how we should do that. And if it's gonna work even like that. Change working directory in a Python application. That's something we haven't done yet. You want to run a script, and the script works. Yeah, I know why that is. Let's do it one more time. So that's just some new packages that we have built. So that's working. I need to run a script. That's something to pause the video for, right? And Google. I've been looking around, running bash script from within, and I saw something where we can improve right now already. And that's this one, I guess. So run a command. And shell is true. I would like to add that. So GTK Python is better. Well, actually we have enough code here, Eric. Just go and have a look. So install this guy is right, this kind of thing. That's what I would like to do. So process, call, command, split, shell, and so on. That's basically the same thing, a little bit more complex, but and then if you click on it, Control Z, where are we? Oh, there we are. Control Y. Get away. Evan. Right, save. So commands, that's a command split. I saw somewhere somebody doing this. Sure. Shell. Who knows? But this I would like to do. True. And then remember that we've done something similar. Was it here? Was it in the functions? Let's find the word alacrity. Right. Where was that? We did it like this. Alacrity. True. Yep. So in here we say okay. What did it say about that? That's wrong. No space. Get alacrity, then add temp, then add the choice. I think I need space here. Temp, choice. Let's see. Shell is true. Right. Now, in the meantime, the ISO is probably built. No, he's building at this point. Right, he's building the ISO. So Control C would have gone would have been here, right? Would have been here. So it's gonna put it in root. That's already something we know. Okay, cleaned up. Don't need this either. That's that. So I want this thing to run in Alacrity if I ask for it. So if I create this, it does something, but unsuccessful. This is Alacrity. And who am I? I'm root. So it's launched. When I click here, it's launched. This seems to be longer. I guess both of them are here now. Git clone is done. And then I need to go, if that's done, this should happen. Okay. Alacrity, hold, -E, temp, ArcoLinux T, and then what else? The installation scripts 40. So that works. Okay, if that works, I need to know what is the output. Print me command. Save. What did you do? What do you do? Alacrity, hold, E, TMP, ArcoLinux, Excel installation description. Looking good. Or wait a moment. The other Alacrity. That's the command. Run script in Alacrity. Sure, don't see anything wrong with it. So this is the code to run something. It's the same thing, but let's add the try. Right, let's add the try. Oops. And the command is this. But then we forget about that line. Maybe it doesn't like it like that. The command is do that. It looks cleaner anyway. If it's gonna work, that's something else. Entirely different. Create. But it's still the same issue, right? But that's good that we have another window so we can see what's going on. But I need to launch a script from he's launching from somewhere else. So we're parts ways, parts thingy. Back to the search. So it's launching, but I have to tell him that the command I know what I tell him. I know how it works. How do I tell him to start it? I'm gonna try something. We're gonna keep staring at it otherwise. There is this OS. Is it important? I guess it is. OS change directory, something like that. Python OS change dir. Or yeah, change dir. Current working directory, voila. OS change dir and then the path. Okay, so what if I would say change dir to the system and tell him to go to tmp plus and then the choice. Doesn't get OS. Then SOS then. And TMP like this. Ooh. Like that and like that plus choice. Who knows? Let's see. Did he change the directory? Is that happening? Did something happen? Did we save it? Control S. Change directory. Should we do all of it? Makes sense, right? To really go inside that. Go inside that. Why are you red? Because it doesn't end. Save. Who knows? Stop. My heart. Oh, it works. It works. We're building an ISO. So when he's finished making an ISO, we need to change the permissions, that's for sure, and move it. And here we remove. When we need to remove everything again at the end. Not yet, first we need to figure everything out. So I'm probably not gonna need this, but we'll see. where did I move it then? Check your home directory. Home. So with this scripts, it's gonna end up where are we? Here, right? I'm guessing we're gonna get something here. So, is he building? There's a lot here. And this should be moving all the time. But not right now. In the end, something should come here. So we know already the name. So change permissions, destination, FN home. Was that the previous code? That's all I did. That was easy. Okay, we're gonna move the ISO. Destination. Permissions is later. First we're gonna move ISO from to home directory. Oh yeah, I got an idea. There's no need to have anything like we do on ArcoLinux and have a folder, but just put it on home Eric, in my case, to home directory. There's no need to have anything else. And they all have different names, so if you rebuild, it's overwritten. So that's actually cool. But there's a problem. In the choice we've made, ArcoLinux capital did not make capital A and capital L and stuff like that. So ArcoLinux out. And the other way, it's ArcoLinux D out, and the other one is ArcoLinux B out. So, yeah, okay. If it is the choice is ArcoLinux, then we look in ArcoLinux out. If the choice is ArcoLinux D, then we look in ArcoLinux D out, and so on. That's something we can do. Move ISO from ArcoLinux out to home. I suppose there is an OSDIR move as well, but let's see what we did in ArcoLinux tweak tool. Move. Oh, 168 moves. That's a bit too much. No, don't have the time. How about you, internet? So Python OS move file. What was that again? How do I move a file? How to move file? Shuttle, yeah, we got shuttle. Quick answer. Let's see. Shuttle, and then dot move. That's something we did not use in ArcoLinux tweak tool, but we did do a copy tree, I see, remove tree, stuff like that, but never copy as well. Fine, and yeah, we could do copy first, because otherwise We don't know what's happening. And it gets overwritten anyway. Still copy. So shuttle, do we have that? Shuttle. Okay, we've got it. Import shuttle. So we say fn os shuttle, and then what we want to do. So what we want to do is copy paste things over, old file, destination. Okay. So basically, if we are going to type everything out, it's gonna be root, and then ArcoLinux out, like so. And I wonder if I can say this. I don't know. I don't think that will work. Sorry. Copy everything to, and then we have an home, I think. So Eric, home Eric. So we need to know what that is, because later on I need to change the permission of this particular file as well. So we need to list the directory. Find the list dir. That's gonna work, but we need to remove everything every single time. So it's building. So at some point in this video, this is done, and we need to have here something. Then we know how it's named. We want to copy paste whatever the name of the thing is, and then permission to the next thing. But we need to change the folder. If the choice equals ArcoLinux, L, I think, right? Then directory dir is ArcoLinux out. Right. And now the file name. Okay. If the choice is ArcoLinux, and there's these complex things. Well, it's not complex, but was it else if, or was it again else if, L if or something, L if. Why are there? Choice equals ArcoLinux D, then dir equals ArcoLinux D out, if I remember correctly. Let's do a save. What did we do wrong? If choice L if Y are there, I suppose you need to be there. That's my idea. And this one there and that one there. This is how I would do it, but Shouldn't we do this? elif, how was it again? Python if elif W3 school. Let's go back to school. If elif, so without a double point. Happy now? He's happy. I think I need to do one more. elif. Oh, elif. elif choice is equals ArcoLinux B. Oh yeah, now it's everything else. Now it's just else, and I think else. And I need to do this again. Choices else. Oh yeah, else directory. I don't care what the choice is. Oh yeah, well, no, I don't care. Everything else is ArcoLinux B out. And then later on XS and so on. It's all here. The D is just here, and this has a bunch of them. So change the folder. That's the folder, that's dir. File name. There he is. 2.5 gigs out. Oh yeah, we got more than that. It would be great if we could just say, maybe I got a better idea. Maybe that's much easier. We're just gonna say copy paste this string, this tree thingy. That's what we're gonna do. That's so much easier than trying what I'm trying now. So instead of moving a file, this was not correct anyway, I see. So instead of moving a file, of copying a file, we're missing the copy here, you see. We're gonna copy a tree, I think it's called. Remove tree, copy tree, yeah, that's it. Control find, copy tree. Command is this, FNOS, that's correct. Let's forget about files, let's go for the whole enchilada. Then we have all the files and that's in there. So we don't care about the file name, easy peasy, right? Copy the tree to home. Yeah, that's correct, huh? Copy the tree to home. The dir is the ArcoLinux out. Let's have a look. You go here, you go to root, ArcoLinux out, and you go here. Oh, you go here, root and ArcoLinux out, if it's that choice, otherwise it's that choice, and otherwise it's that. And then we're going to change the permissions. ISO name is unimportant anymore. The destination is now dir, right? Dir is the destination. And I'm going to change the permissions from that destination and then check your home directory for the ISO. Save. Right. You have to test it him. Is he finished? He's finished. Done. So First, we're going to make sure this is gone. I would also delete this if I were you. So we have a clean system again. So on create Arco clicked. So fn base dir remove. That's not needed. I need something else. I need root ArcoLinux like that. No. ArcoLinux out and ArcoLinux build. ArcoLinux out. ArcoLinux build. ArcoLinux build. And ArcoLinux out. These have capital letters, the others do not have capital letters. Okay. So ArcoLinux out. Save. Now we can always do, if it exists, then remove. That's for later. Temp choice. Yes. So git clone it first, make sure nothing is there from previous builds. Then git clone everything. Then we get a git clone, we change the directory, we run it, the directory, the script. And then if choice is ArcoLinux XL, then go find it ArcoLinux out. Otherwise find it there, and find it there. We're gonna copy root to fn home, and destination is that. Yeah, that's home Eric, and then dir. Ah, that's wrong. Home, this is home slash Eric, no slash, and dir has no slash, and here we do have a slash, so we're missing a slash. We're missing a slash. Okay. Plus, you need to be a computer. Permissions, destination. This is worthy of another test. No, close. Oh. Do we see any errors? That's something to catch already. Oh, yeah, okay, sure. No, yes, yeah, applying. Yeah. Whew. Right. There are no messages for now. So let's pause the video here. Maybe we can do already a little bit of work. That's what I need anyway. That is, in the GUI, we have ArcoLinux XL. Let's open up my folders. We have all these guys, ArcoLinux D. Then this is how everything came into existence, right? First there was ArcoLinux XL. Then there was ArcoLinux D, because we wanted less packages, a bare system. There was not a Calamares to install all kind of things, it was a black screen. Then came the ArcoLinux S. Alright. ArcoLinux XS. Sure. Then we said some of us really need the LTS kernel because they have older machines, and the LTS is known to support a little bit more older machines. Long-term support, LTS. And this one is the last one. Right? So with these names I can address that one and this one, ArcoLinux XS ISO, XS LTS ISO, Xenot and Zen. And then the B's, Arco Awesome without ISO. Okay. Really? Never thought about that. Control H. Nope. So it's gonna be a B, it's gonna be something else. Let's try one of them so we can set the logic in there. If we say ArcoLinux B Awesome, we need to change ArcoLinux B Awesome to Arco Awesome. But everybody knows the name, right? This is in the list. Okay. Save. And now we can make the logic already behind it. Let's put this here. Control Shift Escape. Make Arch ISO. He's busy. And as you see too, the CPUs, right? 100%. It's busy. So I've got now a longer drop down there. I can't stop it because it's building it. But it's gonna be like this. Now we be a computer. So those are my options. I select it. It comes here. It finds a choice. It finds a text. These are my choices. Right, these are my choices. So, if I choose XS LTS, what happens then? I'm gonna clone ArcoLinux XL. Now things get more difficult. Yeah, because there is the github.com ArcoLinux, and if we choose to find all the things with ISO, then all the core ISOs are here, and all the core ISOs of the B's are here. So the B's is this. That means that this is wrong. So if it's these, all is correct. But if it's a B, actually the letter B is never in here. So if there is a letter B in there, then we need another command. So this is for the core ISOs, and if it's not a core ISO, it's a B ISO. It's actually B ISOs. It's ArcoLinux B. and then the choice. And the choice is ArcoLinux B awesome. So if choice equals that line, I have to make a function later, but if this is like that, then we say the choice equals actually Arco awesome, because where are you? There it is. If choice is ArcoLinux B, if it comes down from the GUI that you chose ArcoLinux B, it comes down here, it says choice is ArcoLinux B awesome, then we need to clone it from this URL, and the choice needs to be changed because that does not exist, ArcoLinux B awesome, on the GitHub. Oh, look at that. Is it finished? It is finished. I've made a copy. Now, how do I know? How do I know that I copied it? Damn it. Should have deleted everything. So, what time is it? It's 21:02. 21:02. 20 is also good. Okay, so the ArcoLinux B built and B out, and this one, right? Is there an error message? Oh, I need to stop it maybe. Control Super Q this thing. Yeah, I need to stop it, and then we get all that. No, shouldn't have stopped it. Ah yeah, here's an error. But you know what I'll do? I saw there is something that keeps it from rebooting, right? Hold. Stop the hold. I think man alacrity. That this hold bit remain open after child process exists. No, you can close, automatically continue with the other stuff, right? So hold is good, but in the end, right? Gone. That's better, I think, I hope. And then there's a problem. What did I do? Module UOS has no. Ah, no, of course not. No. Shuttle has its own thing, eh? That's not part of OS. So, no, like that. Save. Can I avoid building everything again? I can, huh? Double line comment, save. That was the build bit, eh? Okay. Can't quit it. Super escape. Cool. Then we create it. And then did we delete it already? Root ArcoLinux out. Oops. Can't copy anything that's not there, right? So let's fake this. I have in InSync in the shared team an ArcoLinux, Control C. I want to put it in here. Yeah, sure. Put it in here. And then we have this one, ArcoLinux out, Control C, Control V, Control V. These guys. So I'm trying to fake the process, right? So we got an ArcoLinux out, everything is there. But then, if everything is there, copy tree, ArcoLinux out, copy, not move or remove, but I did remove, I think. No, it's not. Remove dir cello fruit work, not needed anymore. Save. So, is there a remove here somewhere? Yes, there is a remove here. So don't remove now. Otherwise I can't test it. Keep everything as is. Now we test it. It still has git clone in there, but whatever. File exists. So the shuttle wants to make a directory that already exists. So what did I do wrong? Root dir is dir not plus dir. Root plus dir. Okay. Path equals root plus dir. And it's actually path dir. So path dir. Print path there. Let's see. What will it show me? Shall we remove the git clone? Excellent, yeah. File exists. Where's my print? Root ArcoLinux out. There is already an ArcoLinux out in mine. That's true. So I have to kind of overwrite things. Copy tree, copy tree, copy tree. What else can we do with shuttle? Shuttle. Python shuttle. They have some parameters behind it, I believe. Geeks for geeks. 10 methods you should know. Okay. Copy. Use to copy the content of text. Okay, and then shuttle copy to mains metadata of the source file. Copy tree. This is what I want to do, right? And he's saying that it's already there. Error number 17. Maybe we can Google that. File exists, home Eric. I'm not asking you to make home Eric. I know that home Eric exists. Grrr, right? Remove trees, no. Shuttle which? To find the file path of your machine. Disk usage, interesting, but no. Move. This function is used to move the file and directory from one directory to another directory. It removes from previous directory, yeah. Move from there to there. Move from there to there. I'd rather do the tree thingy, but with some force, right? Copy tree, override. This is it, right? Copy tree from path to path. Why am I getting this error? Because the path, this one is the path. Root, ArcoLinux out. Ah, oh, Eric. This one, you have to print destination. Save. That will shed some light. Unfortunately. I don't see it yet. That's the line from here, and here's my error. Voila. I want to see it. So home Eric ArcoLinux out. It's perfect. It's just perfect. Home ArcoLinux out. Yes. Shall we remove it? That's dangerous, huh? Remove from a user's directory. Copy paste is something else, but remove. He knows where, so it's from here to here. Everything that's inside here should go here, but he says file exists. Control C. Yeah, they're gonna remove things. Can't we just say go? Recursively copy an entire directory tree root must not already exist. It will be created as well as missing parent directories, permissions and timings and so on. Copy 3, you need to ensure that the source exists and the destination does not exist. Even if the top level contains nothing, the copy tree won't work because it expects nothing. What's this? Ooh. Oh. This might be it. Save. Please be my solution. Close. Run. Awesome. This is looking good. Nothing there. Where is it then? What did you do? That's still there. Should have gone there to there. But unfortunately, fortunately, whatever this is, did not do the trick. This exists is true, but it's worth another search. So copy 3 should tell this. Does it exist? Control find. What was the code? This exists. This exists. Okay, false. What can you tell me about dir exists? If dir exists okay is false, default, and destination already exists, file exists error is raised. If dir exists okay is true, copying operation will continue if it encounters existing directories and the files within the destination tree will be overwritten by corresponding files from the source directory. I should have got something. If I read this, I should have got something. Dir exists, okay, true. And the code is dirs underscore exist okay is false. Dirs exist okay is true, yeah. So why? Why is not working? So when it's running this, it should still copy 3, oh, 33, yeah. Let's try it another time. Don't know why. Feels good, but nothing happens. No. But we better no, because this is the ArcoLinux out. And what if we did this? What if we set, what if we did this? The directory, destination directory is AA. What happens then? Right? AA. But is there something there? does not create anything. It does not create AA. I've got another idea. What if we remove this? AA does not exist. Destination. Oh, what am I doing here? Of course it does not exist. It says event home. What am I doing here? God damn it, Eric. It's time for bedtime again, you know? Really. This is good. But event home, we forgot all the rest of the things that we basically have here. Destination, of course. Put the path. This is the path there. Right. That's the destination. Right. And now we can try. Oh my God. Rubbish. Rubbish. Alright, let's sit straight. Oh my God. Oh. The back is killing me, right, with all this programming. Oh. Oh, what's this? Who put that there? And it's from Eric already. It's mine. Can't believe this. So, deleting this. Okay. Is this awesome or is this awesome? And the folder. Look at that. That's my previous copy. I didn't see that. The ArcoLinux out, here it is. Oh, ArcoLinux out is Eric. So let's clean up my system here. So all of that, it's from root. This can be dangerous, Eric. You know it can be dangerous. Open folder as root. I'd rather do it like this. Then a terminal. Voilà. So let's clean a little bit up. This, that. Yes, that. I hope I did not delete too much. Build. The ISO, that's all rubbish. Yep, it's okay. So this is what we have. Let's try again. Close. If we do this, and we want to create ArcoLinux Excel, it's gonna do this, gonna do that, and then we get ArcoLinux out. Good, and we got this. If we do it another time, we can check the time. Can we? It's 17:21. No, we can't check the time, but we can do this on. Aha. We can't do it twice. What's he doing? Okay, we can do it twice. It's patience. Patience is not my, yeah, it is my virtue, but not now. All right, that's working. So we go back in here. The length of the video, 130. So this worked. this dir thing worked. I'm not gonna wait. What I can do, let's have a look. We can't do that. Let's take a look at this. So we got all that. And if we create this one, we'll try to copy paste things that do not exist, obviously. But again, we can fake it. It's like that? I think so. I don't know if it's a capital D or not. What did I throw in my trash? ArcoLinux D. ArcoLinux, we can't see it anymore. ArcoLinux, probably because ArcoLinux B out here, ArcoLinux D out. Made sense. Okay. Empty trash. So if we use ArcoLinux D and we create that one, and it's going to copy paste everything over to ArcoLinux D out, and we get that as well. All right. And the same should be set. So for the B, the Control C, Control V. If there is an ISO, that's in the B out. Then you do this. You say create. He wants to create all kind of things. No, thank you. So the B ISO ArcoLinux choice, he's gonna run this. Save. Close. Can't close. Super escape kill. Stop. If we do the B, then he wants to the rest we'll have to figure out, because we need to git clone everything, and then things get a bit difficult. Although, where is he? Run commands. We're not doing anything. How is it possible that he wants to run something here? And change directory. So that's the line where I go and change the directory. Run the script. So this one. So if I do this away, I can test again. ArcoLinux B, create, ArcoLinux B out. ArcoLinux B out. Yes, there is one. ArcoLinux B out. ArcoLinux B out. No such file. Yes, there is such a file. No such file or directory. Root. ArcoLinux B out. Ah, capital O. Capital O, capital O, capital O. Where are you, capital O? ArcoLinux, capital O. Save. This happens to you all the time. Comma, a tab, a capital letter. So much fun. It isn't. And we got here ArcoLinux B out. So that's gonna work as well. So all the folders, the destination folders are ready. Are they in the correct permission? LL. What is he doing? Okay. ArcoLinux, they're all from Eric, so that's cool. Let's test the last one. And inside, everything is from Eric. Okay. So that's cool. I think the time is there to call it a day. All right. And continue testing later on. 1 hour and 36 minutes is long enough. But we're done quite a bit of work already. So let's get it out there, and bits and pieces that were working. Make sure we start with a clean slate. So we remove everything in there. We remove everything in there. And we make sure that the git clone is gone. Then we use that command. If you choose ArcoLinux Be Awesome, the choice is Arco Awesome, and you're gonna get it from that GitHub. That is a problem, right? Because yeah, this one is once is enough. So either we need to make it maybe a case structure, or you know, something to tell him if the choice oh yeah, actually true. That's actually true. So this is correct. If you choose in the drop down whatever you have that's correct, this is the correct name. This needs to be changed. So if you choose ArcoLinux B, you go there, and all the other B's. If choice ArcoLinux B, then command is that, else right, else the command is this. For the B's you go there, and for the other one you go there, and for both of them run the command. And of course I need to think about all the other 38, not 38 but 32 ISOs, all the desktops, how I do that. But then we run this, we launch the scripts, we change the directory to the choice, and the choice is Arco Awesome. Oh, I see a mistake. Arco Awesome does not have the word ISO at the end. It's just Arco Awesome. Save. So it's Arco Awesome, Arco i3, and so on. And the choice is then Arco Awesome choice. Run the commands. Then we're going to the choice, installation scripts, command, run that what's in there. And then this is all needed. Try processing the command. Move ISO from ArcoLinux out to home directory. Change the folder. If folder name, if choice is ArcoLinux XL, then the dir is ArcoLinux out, otherwise is out. We've tested this, right? Path directory is root. We don't need to print it now, right? We can always set it back like this. Changing permission, that was working. Check your home directory for the ISO. And then making sure we start with a clean slate again. It's not a bad idea, but it's too soon to implement it, right? So all of that, basically. Begin with it, end with it, but not yet. First we see what happens. Okay. How about a last test? If I forgot anything, and then we push it to the internet. Actually, Control Q, Control close. A D is faster to build. Just smaller ISO. Create. What can I do in the meantime? Clean up. So in here we have all these things. All right, and then we don't need this anymore. He's busy again. Building already. No. Line 584 of 729. So in the meantime, we check out our code. What we can do in the meantime is the following. Always good. Always good. You go here. Have two files, two apps. One that you develop and one that is working to a certain extent, right? And then you keep on working on the other one. And then now comes the human check again. What did we do in this video? We have created an ArcoLinux, clicked on create Arco, clicked, we create a few ISOs. And then this is the definition, quite a long definition, to do things. Okay, click. So that's what's changed. And the GUI, we added the box, HBox0 we called it. And we want to make a combo box there with all the ISOs. And there's a space, that's nice. Spaces are nice. Come on. And then scroll. We want to see something, so we add it at the bottom to show up. That's what we've done. That's not much, but it's good, right? So we up it to the internet. And we need to have a 0502, but I think it's gonna be higher. So, first my password. Creation of ArcoLinux ISOs. So that's that. And then we have the other one. Voila. So the code is now, what you've seen until now is online. In the meantime, he's doing his job. We go to this one, GitHub, and close everything else. Refresh. Let's not build this one till it's fully complete, but we can build a dev version. Releases 230502. Publish release. Next step, go inside the package build. App dev, this one. Adapt the number, change the number, and then build. Next up is the repo, and in no time you will have it. Remember, it's building an ISO. My CPU is busy for 100%, and it's recording, and it's building packages. Yeah, so maybe the sound won't be that good, and maybe I will be speaking in bits and pieces. I don't know. But, so, just, you know, a lot of work going on. That's that. Put it on the internet. Oh, this is slow. So that goes there. And now we go and have a look here. I should be able to say something before the git clone, right? So, where do we say print? It says info, git clone, and so on. So info somewhere. Control find info. Let's build this. The command. Let's add some text for next time. If choice. So we are here, almost done. Apply this command and then git clone. Now let's first see, right? We can always add text. Can't we? Yes, we can. Voila. And it closes. Did it not? I think it did, but it's just a little bit of things. I don't know. Feels strange here. But let's have a look. So, ArcoLinux the repo ArcoLinux out does not contain a thing. That's not good. All the time and all the work for naught. For naught. And do you say anything? Apply this command, check your screen. Ah, that's better now. So okay, it's for a later night because it's 1 hour 51 video. It's way too long, but we're getting there, right? We're getting there. Feel confident that we'll solve that too. All right, cheers.